Okay, so let's start by understanding what are Google Ads and how it works. Google Ads is an advertising platform where businesses pay to display their ads on Google Search, YouTube, and other websites. So, okay, let's imagine you own a small bakery. With Google Ads, you can create an ad that appears when someone nearby searches for fresh bread or local bakery. This way, your business gets noticed by people actively looking for what you offer and not just for search results. Your ads can also appear on YouTube, reaching people as they watch their favorite videos. In short, Google Ads help businesses of all sizes connect with potential customers across the internet, making it a powerful tool in today's digital world. So let's quickly dive into creating a new Google Ads account. So as we are here, as you can see, this is the dashboard of Google Ads account. We'll first click on sign in. Then it will ask you to create your first campaign in few simple steps. So first, it will ask you for add business information, create your ads or set your budget. So we'll click on this create your first campaign. Then it will ask you about your business name and where should people go after clicking your ad. Like what will be the first interaction point of the customers when they see your ad, when they click on a CTA button, when they see your ad or for the first time. So here there are three options. First one is your website. You can directly take your customer to your website, increasing its engagement and as well as its traffic. So here it is written, this might be specific page on your website. It can be a specific page that you want to target on your website, or it can be the home page of website, or a specific YouTube channel that you have created of your business, or a social media page. So you have to simply put in the website. Second option is your business phone number. You have to put in the state from which the mobile number is, and you have to put down the mobile number. You also have an option for your app download page. So you can promote your business app also, that is like across Google search also, YouTube also, or Google Play as well. So firstly, let's quickly write a business name. Let's take an example from here only, like food services in Delhi. See, as you can see, let's pick any one of them, like home foodie. Let's take this business page, quickly write home foodie. So this is our business name, and then we'll just copy the URL and paste it here. We'll click on next. So now it is asking for add more information to save time during setup. So you can link like different account or your YouTube channel, like mobile app, Google business profile, or phone number also. But we'll just quickly skip this. So it will ask you for goal for your campaign. So now firstly, let's not create a campaign. Let's quickly go on to first creating a Google Ads account. First, it's important to create a Google Ads account for as it will be easy for you to understand. So click on set up an account only. Now as you can see, it is asking for you for your billing country, and like from where you are creating your Google Ads account. So now generally what happens is, like if you are in an Asian country where there is a difference between the time zones, and if you are in a European country or any overseas location, the time zone is different. So if your client is from a different part of the country where time zone is different, then you must make sure that the billing should match as per the client's location, time zone and currency, as you will be putting the card details of that client only. So let's select India only. The time zone is already set and the currency is INR. Let's click on continue. Now it will ask you for confirm your account and payment setting. It will ask you for the payment setting. So click on individual, and then put on your name, and after that the street address, like sector 12. Then I'll select office number 38, Gurgaon. Then I'll write the pin code. Then I'll select the state. Sorry, the pin code was 122022. Then click on create. Now as you can see, the payments profile has been created. Now it is asking for add payment method. So we'll click on add payment method. There are three options by which you can create, like you can add your payment method. You can add your credit card or debit card, you can pay with net banking, and you can pay with bank transfer. So here my recommendation would be for both, even for any organization or any individual. The payment method should be a credit card, as it lowers the risk of getting your ads account suspended. So for now, we'll select for bank transfer, as my credit card is already placed in another Google Ads account. So we'll go with pay with bank transfer. I will click on agree on the Google Ad terms. So it is asking for want personalized guidance from a Google Ads account strategist by phone or messaging app. So if you want any expert to guide you on like creating or optimizing your Google Ads account, so you can click on yes, but like we'll click on no for now, as we don't want. So then click on submit. Now as you can see, it is asking for saving this page, as it will be as it is the information for the bank transfer, like at what IFSC or bank account you have to transfer the amount if you want to run Google Ads campaign. So let's click on complete. So yes, your account has been created. Now let's click on continue to see the dashboard, like what other information it's asking. It's asking about like, is your organization is an advertising agency or not. So we'll select no, and then it will ask you who pays for your ads. We'll also yes, we pay Google Ads directly. We'll select this option, then we'll save and continue. So yes, as you can see here, we are on the Google Ads dashboard, on which we are going to set up different campaign, and we are going to learn all the campaign objectives and campaign types in the upcoming module.